Okay, children, today we are going to start a new topic of our global English, how the moon was kind to her mother. Everyone should open page number 14 of your global English. Now let us see. What is the topic we are going to discuss now? How the moon was kind to her mother. Yes, children. So we are going to start our new topic, how the moon was kind to her mother. Are you ready? What is today's date? 25 6. How the moon was kind to her mother. Look into your books, everyone. Once upon a time, a long time ago, the sun, the wind, and the moon were three sisters. Once again, I'll repeat the sentence. Once upon a time, a long time ago, the sun, the wind, and the moon were three sisters. And their mother was a pale, lovely star that shone far, far away in the dark evening sky. One day, their uncle and aunt, who are their uncle and aunt? Thunder and lightning. Thunder and lightning invited the three sisters to have supper. To have supper with them, and their mother said that they could go. She would wait for them, she said, and would not sleep until all three returned and told her about their pleasant visit. See how nice, children. Who are the three sisters here? The wind, the moon, and the sun. These three are the sisters, right? And who was the mother? Mother was a pale, lovely, beautiful star who used to shine in the dark evening sky. Very nice, no? Very interesting, no? A complete family we are going to discuss. The sun, wind, moon, and a star. Now, two more characters were introduced here, uncle and aunt. Uncle, thunder, aunt, lightning. One day, the thunder and lightning invited the three sisters to have supper. What is supper, you know? Evening meals. Evening meals. Okay, we eat after before sleeping, or evening we'll have our meals, no children? That is called a supper. And do you know thunder? What is a thunder? What is the thunder? Have you ever seen any thunder? Yes, a big sound. This sharing on. Thunder and lightning invited the three sisters to have supper. What is the meaning of supper, beta? Evening meals. A meal which is taken in the evening. Evening meal. So the mother told, okay, my dear three children, you can go to your uncle and aunt house to have supper. I will be waiting for you. Okay, you have to come back and you have to tell me about your pleasant visit. How was your visit to your uncle and aunt house? You have to share your experiences. So I'll be waiting for you. Three of you go and have your supper. Who told this? Their mother. So the sun in her dress of gold, the wind in a trailing dress, and rustled as she passed, and the moon in a wonderful gown of silver went to the dinner party. See, here different types of dresses they wore. Sun in her dress of gold. What type of dress sun is wearing here? Gold. And the wind is in trailing dress. What is a trailing dress here? Trailing dress. A skirt or cloak. A skirt or cloak with a long back portion. With a long back with a long back portion. You'll wear, girls will wear skirt. No, children, do you remember? You know, skirts or gowns, long gowns, but the back portion, it is a very long, it's like a floor touch. Okay, long, very long. So that is called a trailing dress. And that rustled as she passed. What is the meaning of rustled? Yes, rustled means make a soft sound like a paper. When she is going, she is walking with this trailing dress. What happened? A soft sound you can hear. You can hear a very soft sound like a paper. That is called a rustled. Soft sound. Soft sound like a paper. Soft sound like a paper. So when she was walking with a trailing dress, a soft sound like a paper you can hear, and the moon in a wonderful gown of silver went to the dinner party. Now the three sisters went to the dinner party. Oh, it was a supper to remember. The table was spread with a cloth of rainbow. You can see the picture in your book. There is a table, dining table, a table which is covered with a rainbow cloth. Can you see there? Yes, a rainbow cloth. The table was spread with a cloth of rainbow. There was ice cream like the snow of the mountain tops and cakes as soft and white as clouds and fruits from every part of the earth. The three sisters ate a lot, especially the sun and the wind. You see, children, how beautifully the food items are compared with. You can see here the ice cream like the snow on the mountain tops. Have you seen? Have you seen the mountains, peaks, which are covered with the snow? It looks so beautiful, right? So the ice creams are looking like that, and the cakes as soft as the white clouds. Very soft, soft, spongy cakes and fruits from every part of the earth. Means different ways. So many, lots of varieties of food, fruits are available on the table. And who are the two sisters? Ate a lot, the sun and the wind. They ate so much. Okay, they had a lot. Who were very greedy and ate everything. They were very greedy. Who were very greedy? Yes, the sun and the wind were very greedy and they ate a lot. What is the meaning of greedy, beta? Showing excessive desire. What is the meaning of greedy? Greedy. Showing excessive showing excessive desire for wealth or power. What is the meaning of greedy? Look at the meanings also better. The screen is already shared with you. You have to remember the meanings also. Okay, greedy. What is the meaning of greedy? Showing excessive desire for wealth or power. So here these two sisters are very, very greedy. They ate a lot. They ate everything. But the moon was kind and remembered her mother. Who was very kind here? Moon was very kind and she was remembering about her mother. She hid a part of her supper in her long white fingers to take home and share with her mother the star. See how beautiful, no? It's so nice that the moon remembered her mother and she has taken some of the meal, some of the things from the table to share with her mother. Can you tell me who invited the three sisters to supper? Yes, who invited? Yes, uncle and aunt, the thunder and lightning. Okay. Now let us see. Then the three sisters said goodbye to thunder and lightning and went home. When they reached home, they found their mother, the star, waiting and shining for them, as she had said she would. Before the three sisters were leaving, her mother told, no, I'll be waiting for you. Go and come fast. And you have to share your experiences of your pleasant visit. And the three sisters, they went to the supper, they had supper, and they came back again. They saw that the mother was still waiting as she said, what did you bring me from the supper? She asked. She asked for the three daughters. She asked, what did you bring for me from the supper? The sun tossed her head with all its yellow hair and answered. See, it tossed her head and said, why should I bring you anything? I went out for my own pleasure and not to think of you. Oh, how unkind. Is this the way to talk to her mother? Talk to the mother? No, no, it's a very bad habit. So see the son, how she was answering. Why should I bring you anything? I went out for my own pleasure, for my happiness, to enjoy. I went out. Why I should remember you? Why I should think of you? It was the same with the wind. The mother asked to the wind again, what did you bring me from the supper? Then she the wind wrapped her flowing robes about her and turned away from her mother. What did she say anything? Nothing. She just wrapped. What is the meaning of wrapped, beta? Enfolded. Means she has folded her robes, that long skirt she wore, no, that she has unfolded, and she just went from there. Let us see the meaning of wrapped. WRAPPED, wrapped, enfolded. Enfolded. So she wrapped her flowing robes about her and turned away from her mother. I too went out to have fun, she said. Next, what she said while just leaving from her mother, she said, I too went out for my fun. And why should I think of you, mother, when you were not with me? I went to enjoy my supper. Why should I think about you? Children, will you also do the same thing when you go alone somewhere? You'll forget your parents? Yes? Or you'll remember? Yes, we have to remember and we will remember, right? But it was very different with the moon. Now see the moon. What moon is going to give the answer? Let us see. Who was not as greedy and selfish as her two sisters? Is moon greedy? Is she greedy, beta? No, she's not greedy. She's not selfish. Only the sun and the moon were greedy and selfish. The sun and the wind. Then see what happened. She turned her sweet face towards her mother, the star, and held out her slender hands. And what did she do? Slender. What is the meaning of slender? Slender. Very thin, graceful hands. Gracefully thin hands. Slender. Gracefully gracefully thin. So what she did, the moon simply just she turned her sweet face towards her mother and she held out her slender hand. See, she held out her very thin hands. See, mother, cried the moon, I have bought you part of everything that was on my plate. I ate only half of the supper because I wanted to share it with you. See how kind and beautiful she is. She has brought each and every part of her plate to her mother to share with her mother, right? And see what her mother will tell now. So the mother put the food that her kind daughter, the moon, had bought her on her gold plate. She ate it and then she turned to her three children, for she had something important to say to them. Now she has eaten whatever the moon has bought for her, and then she turned towards the three children and she started saying she want to share something with the three children. Now let us see what she want to say. You were thoughtless and selfish, my daughter, she said. To whom she said? She said it to the moon. You thought only about here next. The moon was very kind, but the wind and the sun. Let us see what she's going to tell for them. You thought only about yourself. For this day, your rays will be so hot and they will burn everything they touch. People will cover their heads when you appear. And that is why to this day the sun is so hot and blazing. See, she has punished the sun. The star has punished the sun by saying, you are so selfish. That's the reason you will burn every time. You will be keep on burning. And if anyone tries to touch you, they will burn. And whenever you appear, people will cover their faces. Yes, no, children? Whenever we go out in the sunlight, what we do, we will cover our faces, cover our head. We will not dare to see the sun. And that is why to this day the sun is hot and blazing. What is the meaning of blazing? Blazing means very hot, very, very hot. Next, the mother spoke to the wind. You too, my daughter, have been unkind and greedy, she said. You will blow in the heat of your sister, the sun. See the punishment, what the punishment the wind got here? She told to the wind that you will blow. You will blow in the heat of your sister, the sun. And no one will love you anymore. During the summer, children, if any wind, hot wind, it is called a loo, hot wind. So, will we go out in that loo with a hot wind? Will we like to go? No, we hate that. We avoid going outside, right? And that is why. And that is why to this day, the wind blowing in hot weather is very unpleasant. What is the meaning of unpleasant? Discomfort. We are not happy with that. Okay. Last, the mother spoke to her kind daughter, the moon. You remembered your mother and were very kind, she said. Those who are thoughtful of their mother and others will be blessed. For all time, your light will be cool and calm and beautiful. You will make the dark night bright, and all people will love you. And that is how the moon was kind to her mother. See the moon? And moon got the blessings from her mother. And what the mother told? She told that those who love and care their mother, okay, or parents, they are blessed by everyone. And that's the reason the moon was very cool, calm, and beautiful. Everyone loves playing in the moonlight. Yes? So, this is the way how the moon was kind to her mother. Yes, children? So, what is the moral of this story, beta? What is the moral of the story? That you have to respect, you have to remember your parents wherever and whenever you go out, and whatever the situation may be, but you have to think of your parents and you have to behave very disciplined way.